Here is how I use AI to create unlimited social media content and how you can do the exact same thing. Before AI, finishing a single video project used to take me 25 to 30 days. Now, I can create a full batch of content in a single week. Let me explain how. Take my dollar series for example. A project where I broke down how the US dollar became a global superpower. Honestly, it took me nearly 2 months just to write 6 scripts. Then, it took another full month just to shoot them. Why did it take so long? Because creating deep, research-backed content manually means endless Google searches, reading articles, and watching dozens of YouTube videos just to pull together a solid script. It's exhausting. And shooting, everyone who creates videos knows the pain of recording for 2 hours, only to realize you forgot to plug in the microphone. You're forced to re-record the exact script with zero energy, or just give up for the day. If you've been there, you would have known the pain. Today, that entire process is gone. Here is the 3-tool AI stack I use to produce better content. Tool number 1, Google Gemini for scripting and ideation. This is where every idea starts. You can use ChatGPT or Perplexity, but here's the best part. You don't even need a paid subscription. The free version of Gemini is more than enough to handle high-level research, generate solid angles, and write detailed scripts through thoughtful back-and-forth chatting. What used to take me weeks of manual research now takes under an hour. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs for voice cloning. For professional audio quality, ElevenLabs is the best in the game. To clone your own voice, you can jump on a plan for around $5 to $6 a month. For the best result, record about an hour of clean audio using a decent microphone, or read their training script directly to train your professional voice clone. Tool number 3, HeyGen for video generation. If you want to produce 10 to 12 videos every week, HeyGen's creator plan runs around $24 a month. That gives you roughly 600 credits, which translates to 30 minutes of videos. At 25 credits per video, you can easily pump out 1-minute shorts or reels all month long. Here's the catch. You actually don't need ElevenLabs if you're on a tight budget. HeyGen has built-in voice cloning powered by a similar engine, and for most creators, the output sounds totally fine. But if you want that ultra-professional studio-grade audio, keeping ElevenLabs in your workflow is worth it. So, long story short, the free version of Google Gemini plus HeyGen's creator plan gives you a complete automated video studio for just $24 a month. And the workflow is simple. Pick a topic and jump into Gemini. Chat back and forth until you get a sharp, polished script. Head over to HeyGen, set up your custom AI avatar, and upload your voice recordings. Paste your script, select your voice, and hit generate. Within minutes, you have a complete, ready-to-publish video. One final piece of advice. While HeyGen lets you do basic editing, I still recommend connecting with a professional video editor for that final professional look. AI is incredible at research, scripting, audio, and visual generation, but it still can't match a skilled human editor's creative pacing. Until AI completely takes over editing, this is the ultimate blueprint to generate unlimited content and scale your social media profiles. I hope this helps. Stay safe and goodbye.